Computer Essentials Test Part 1. Question 1. Which of the following is the definition of ICT? The correct answer is 3. Technologies that are used for communication and information. Just like IT, information technology, so ICT is information and communication technologies. Question 2. Which of the following is an Office productivity application? Remember, application and program are the same thing. So an Office or Microsoft Office productivity program would be a shared online calendar. Answer 1. Question 3. Which one of the following is a computer? Scanner, router, switch, tablet. Correct answer is tablet. Question 4. Which one of the following is most likely to speed up a computer? And speed has to do with processing speed, so question 3 is correct. A new processor with higher capacity. It's called a CPU, Central Processing Unit. It's measured in usually gigahertz. HZ stands for hertz with a G before it, gigahertz. Question 5. Which one of the following can convert printed text to a digital image? Not a firewall, not a speaker, not a mouse. Scanner is the correct answer. It can convert printed text to a digital image. It can convert any document to a digital image. Which one of the following is an interface for transmitting uncompressed digital audio and video data? Let's go through them. USB, Universal Serial Bus, which is your USB pen drive. DVD is obviously a storage disk, and VGA is to do with your settings on your screen of your computer. So the correct answer is HDMI, stands for High Definition Modulation Interface. This would be the lead between your flat screen TV and your laptop, which will connect both. Question 7. What is true about operating systems and applications or programs? Applications always installed first on a computer, then the operating. No, the operating system is installed first on a computer, then the applications or the programs. So in other words, you'll have Windows installed first, then you can install programs like Word, etc. Question 8. Which of the following is not an example of an operating system? So we know that Android is a mobile operating system, Linux is a free open source operating system, Windows is a commonly used operating system, yet Firefox is a web browser. So the correct answer is Firefox because it's not an operating system. Question 9. Which of the following is an Office productivity application or a Microsoft Office productivity program? Excel is the answer here. Question 10. Which one of the following is not true about end user software agreement? The first answer here, it is a contract between the licensor and purchaser. Yes, it's true. It establishes the purchaser's rights to use the software. Correct. It may define ways under which the copy can be used. Yes, that's correct. It contains offers to buy additional products to reduce price. It's not correct. So this is the correct answer because it's not one of the correct ones. Now, question 11. Why is some software called freeware? Because it's totally free without cost. Question 12. What information has to be entered to securely log on to a computer? Username and password. Question 13. Where should you click to restart a computer? You go to the power icon or the power button down here and click, and you have options to shut down and restart. Which one of the following is the main purpose of a taskbar? Taskbar is at the bottom of your screen here. The main purpose is to launch or to open and monitor applications or programs. So I have the Excel application or program here, Word, PowerPoint, etc. I can open them. If I have 2 PowerPoint files, I can click and see both of them and choose one, open that one. So the answer is 1, to launch and monitor applications. We go to question 15. icon representing a folder, obviously C, so you click this radio button here, C. Which one of the following is not a way to move a desktop icon? Select the icon and press one of the arrow keys is the correct answer, because all other options will move. For instance, click and drag the icon with the mouse, or cut and paste. Both these options are correct, but this one, it's not possible to move the icons just by moving the arrow keys on your keyboard. And here we have a question to do with this word processing application. It's already selected and it wants to know where do we click to perform an action for that program, and we will click here right on the selected icon. Click on the status bar. Here we have on top the title bar showing us what program and what file. Then you have the menu bar and your status bar is down here. So we go to question 19. And it says click on the scroll bar. So here's vertical scroll bar. You also may have horizontal scroll bars. Where should you click to close the open window? It's easy. Just click on the X here to close that window. Now question 22. Where should you click to switch to the WordPad window? And if you see here on the taskbar, there's an icon for WordPad. So if you click this, it'll switch and open that program or application called WordPad. Question 22. Click the icon where you can find help in Windows 10. An icon is a little picture. So we have a question mark here. That will be your help icon. In some cases you may have a menu item like find, view, file, etc. and help may appear here, but in this case it's shown as a question mark here. You click on that as the correct answer. 23. Click on the icon where you can find detailed operation with the operating system. So the word system down here, and you can see what type of operating system. Example, Windows 10, how much RAM and serial number, etc. would be in there. Question 24. Which one of the following describes how to change the screen resolution? Right click on the File Explorer, and that is this icon down here which shows us the different areas of our computer. It's not the correct answer. Right click on the Edge icon and display settings. Edge icon is another program like this icon here, or Chrome, etc. Internet program. Not the correct answer. The right one is right click on the desktop and choose display settings. So on the desktop, right click to change the screen resolution. So go to question 25. Where should you click to change the keyboard language? So obviously go to the keyboard icon. 26. In Windows Task Manager, non-responding applications or programs can be shut down. Which one of the following keyboard shortcuts is used to show the screen below? So which combination of these three? And the correct answer is Control-Alt-Delete. When you press Control-Alt-Delete on the keyboard, this window will appear, which gives you Task Manager. You click on Task Manager and you can end the task for the application or program that's not responding or has frozen. In question 27. Where should you click to uninstall an application? And an application is a program, so you click here on the icon for programs. Question 28. Which one of the icons indicates that it is safe to remove a USB device? And this green and white tick mark tells us that if we click on this icon, which is answer is correct, D, icon D, you may then safely remove your USB pen drive from the computer. And finally we have our last question. Click on the key which captures the full screen and copies it to the clipboard. So if we go to print screen and click on this on the keyboard, it will capture whatever is showing in the screen of your laptop or PC. So print screen, click here, the green arrow will appear.